Audio descriptions, or ADs, narrate key visual elements during silent gaps in movies to help blind and low-vision audiences. While thousands of English titles have ADs, Indian languages like Hindi have been almost entirely neglected. This paper presents the first systematic study of Hindi audio descriptions to bridge this massive accessibility gap. We will examine how the researchers built the first Hindi AD dataset and evaluated automatic generation methods. To study this problem, the authors introduced Andha-Dhun, a dataset containing over 5,800 AD sentences across 8 full-length movies. The collection pipeline involves sourcing audio, removing background movie sounds to isolate the narrator, transcribing the speech using Gemini, and manually verifying the temporal alignment with the video. This dataset provides a crucial benchmark for training and evaluating Hindi AD models. The researchers explored 2 primary approaches for automatic generation. The first approach, AD to Hindi, translates existing English ADs into Hindi using machine translation models. The second approach, dense to Hindi, uses a multimodal model to generate a dense English description of the video, which a Hindi-capable LLM then distills directly into a Hindi AD. This bypasses the intermediate English AD step entirely. Standard metrics like BLEU or CIDR fail for Hindi because the language allows highly flexible word order. Instead, the authors used Perplexity to measure linguistic diversity and an LLM as a judge framework to score semantic alignment. The results showed that directly generating Hindi ADs using Hindi-focused models like Nematron outperformed translating English ADs, though a significant gap to human quality remains. A major finding of this paper is that literal translation fails to convey meaning to an Indian audience. This is explained by Skopos theory, which states that translation must be guided by its core purpose, helping the target audience understand the visuals. For example, translating Western terms like touchdown or Gatorade shower literally into Hindi makes no sense to a local viewer. The content must be adapted, not just translated. When analyzing how culture-specific items are resolved, the authors found a stark contrast between humans and machines. Machine translation models almost exclusively rely on literal translation or retaining the original Western term. In contrast, human describers use adaptive strategies. They substitute terms with local equivalents, generalize complex terms, or omit irrelevant details entirely to keep the narration natural and accessible. In conclusion, the Andha-Dhun study reveals that automatic translation is not enough for true media accessibility. To create effective audio descriptions for diverse global audiences, AI systems must move beyond literal word-for-word translation. Future research must focus on developing models that understand cultural context and prioritize the functional purpose of the description for the end user.